Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to craft equipment in 7 Deadly Sins Origins. So first, to start crafting, you need to head over to a blacksmith or a crafting NPC in the game. This is usually found in towns or main hubs. Once you interact with them, you want to look for the equipment or a crafting station. And inside, you'll see different types of gear you can create, like weapons, armor, or accessories. Each item requires specific materials, so before crafting anything, make sure you've collected the needed resource from quests, dungeons, or explorations. Once you have the materials, just select the equipment you want and hit craft. The item will be created instantly and added to your inventory. And here's a quick tip. Some higher level equipment requires rarer materials, so it's a good idea to farm bosses or complete harder content if you want better gear. You can also craft multiple pieces and then choose the best stats for your character, depending on your build and playstyle. And basically that's it. Crafting equipment in 7 Deadly Sins Origin is pretty straightforward. Just gather materials, visit a blacksmith or craft your own, and create the gear you need to power up your team. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!